on the floor.
Show me how you eat your
then
cereal.
picked up the fork and then put it in her mouth.
Are you eating Cheerios and bread
Yeah.
with peanut
No, so
butter
she's,
and
she's
bananas?
getting to be a big girl. And she can,
Show me how you eat your
understand what
cereal.
she has to do. Oh, and also, you know I said I T-bowed all those
Show me how you
Moto
eat your
PPs
cereal.
for you?
Where's your
for
spoon?
some reason, the one you'd think that they'd show, they didn't
Jamie,
actually
have
show
some
the
cereal.
Unasaka. No, I've got qualification.
You show all the
tapes,
grandparents how
but
good you
for
are.
some reason, it didn't record the.
Good girl.
actual
Good
words.
girl.
But
Good stuff, huh?
anyway, no, I've got like those 6 I
Yeah,
already
you're
told
a
you.
big
Then I have
girl.
got like the Unasaka,
Yes,
then I
you
use
are.
the German.
Yes, you are. Say hi,
British,
Grandma,
and then
Grandpa,
this weekend
Nana,
they're showing
Grandpa.
Czech.
Hello, everybody.
So you'll
Say
have
hi.
about 10 or
Say
11
hi,
Moto
Jamie.
GPs by
Look
the
at
time
that
you
grumpy
get here.
face. That's a mean grumpy face.
Yes,
You have
yes.
milk all over your face. Show grandparents how you can eat your cereal. Where's the Cheerios? Yummy Yeah, that's the Cheerios. Show me how you
Cool.
use your
Okay.
spoon. Use your spoon.
Okay, see you later. Bye.
Where's your spoon? It's right here. There you go. Use your spoon. Show me how you do it. Good girl. Yeah, put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Oh, good girl. Okay, say we'll see you later, alligators. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Jamie. Bye-bye.